Hey folks, I just wanted to talk to you people that own the Gazelle and you have the higher price model. The higher price ones usually come with these rubber parts that go to the cable. And a lot of times what happens with them is they split or open up on one side or completely, or they squash. So what I did was I took it apart and let me just go over here. Okay, I took it apart, and to take it apart you just take the one screw out of here. This whole thing comes out. Then there's two screws in back here, Phillips. Open that up, and then this piece here, if you can see, yeah, this piece here has this black piece here which has a nut built into it. So you just have to hold this with a pliers or an adjustable, unscrew it, pull it down, and you could take out these black rubber pieces. Now, normally they have washers in the middle. They're plastic. But what I bought was, over at your Home Depot or Lowe's, this was Home Depot, you can get these stoppers, rubber stopper. It's 1/8 inch by 15/16, and they're just solid black stoppers, but they pretty much match the size of the black pieces that are in there. The only difference is they're tapered and you have to make the hole. So what I did was just got a drill with drill bit, a small drill bit to start, any size small, maybe 1/8, even 1/4 inch, and drill a hole in the center, and then go to a larger. You have to press when you do these so it don't move around, but put your drill bit in there, press a little bit, and put it on something that wood or something so it don't go through whatever underneath, and make yourself a 3/8 hole. So you have to use two bits, a small bit and then a 3/8. So you make the 3/8 hole, and there you go. You got a replacement for these broken rubber things. And then the washer that comes in between each rubber has a taper to it. So what I used was just regular 3/8 flat washers, and put them in between each rubber. There's 4 rubbers, and the top one didn't have a rubber, so I didn't put a rubber. And that's it. You're all set. Screw back in, and your machine will be like new. Okay, remember, this is for the Gazelle, Tony Little Gazelle. This one's a top model or upper model. They come with these rubber pieces. But I called the company and they couldn't help me. They said, "Oh, we don't make that model anymore. We don't have parts for it." Just like that. So they left me in the dust. So I had to improvise with this method. But it works. It works great. And just wanted to let you know. So if you have the Tony Little Gazelle and it's got the rubber pieces, I wouldn't even bother calling the company. Just do the fix I said. You can get them in Home Depot, and they're in the hardware department in one of the little drawers. It says 1/8 by 15/16, made by Everbuilt, and it's called a stopper, a rubber stopper, but you'll have to drill a hole to make it what it is. All right, good luck.